Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Tundra tire. First, prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and engaging your parking brake. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and wheel chocks. Place the chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you're changing. This preparation ensures a stable and secure environment for the tire change. Let's get started. Now, with your vehicle secure, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, but don't remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the truck's frame, close to the flat tire. Once the jack is stable, slowly raise the Tundra until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Safety first, always. With the tire off the ground, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and carefully align its holes with the wheel studs on your Tundra. Slide the spare onto the studs. Once it's seated, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs until they are snug. We're almost there. Now, carefully lower your Tundra until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. This allows the tire to bear some weight for final tightening. Using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Then, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Drive safely and get your flat repaired soon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.